Okay, let's go on with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a time when you were stuck in a traffic jam. So,
One day I was going to play a football match. I was stuck in a traffic jam at my road due to political rally. I due to political rally.
rally.
Rally. I stuck there about 1 to 2 hours. Uh, um, 1 to 2 hours. I also main player of my team. My team waited me, but I informed my coach. Uh, after open the road, I reached the inner ground. Then the match was going to end. Then I felt very exhausted.
Okay, this is good. At least you have started. So, you spoke for 51 seconds. Try to speak more than this. I found grammatical mistakes as you said, I stuck. What's the right one? I was stuck. Okay, then you said waited me. So, my coach waited for me. Preposition is missing. Then you said after open the road. After opening the road or when the roads were open again. Okay, something like that. So just try on. I mean, it's better than before. You need to speak more and you'll be fine. Now we move on to speaking part 3. Are traffic jams common in your city?
Yes, traffic jam is common in cities due to a lot of vehicles and narrow road uh, moreover, there is a common habit. There is a bad habit to park vehicles on roads, which reduces the available place of parking and leads to jams.
Yeah, which reduces available space for parking and leads to
Jam.
jams. Huh? Memorized answer. Crammed answer. Koi gal nahi, that's fine. So just try to speak on your own, okay? This thing will not help you.
Okay.
And develop your speaking skill, you'll be fine. Thank you.
Okay.